Git menalal ni baya kabi. Pool area. Cukup na ko na restaurant. Cukup na restaurant? Isan dong oh? Oh ya. Laka. Ruangan di Basanga. Oh gosh. Chef is busy. Bola. Bola. Lagu bi? Enggak tahu bagian tanah pool area.
That would be my answer too. I've got to go and catch up with Boz. Yeah, all right.
Oh, boleh tunggu na ya. Ni.
Thank you so much. What do you say, girl?
Hey. No, this is not our room. Let's go back now. Mangkarechung ko na po na kakila na ba kabi na restaurant. EV Seafood, Lokabanua Lounge, and then Burres 401 to 414. Oi, nawalni ka na buffet is ya. Sandongo. Saya ketengahan ko na boleh taki. Nagpakan niling. Boleh nak. Oh, this is nice. Boleh taki tengah iki.
That's all right. He can take it and the girls...
Right, where is the buffet?
They can fix it. Yeah.
Evie buffet. Whew. Evie, ang ganda na restaurant Becca. Okay. Another restaurant here. Oh, Maxim. Evie special entree. Sauté calamari, flowers, macadamia crusted prawn, and the main is basil crusted salmon. Oh, yum, with risotto crab cake. Tomato chutney grill, prawns, mussels, and calamari. Oh, that's nice. I think Evie restaurant, they only serve seafood. Seafood. it's really dark here. Can't see anything properly. I think we are definitely going to the Evie restaurant. Mbula, like me can do a wheelchair, Chico? No. Oh, okay. Okay, we are the restaurant. Yeah. Apa? Telat santai. Abang kerja cunggo. Nah, oke, untuk suatu sarang kami. Oh, in a buffet. Oh, vina kata me order tangan lagi yang bunga. So like buffet. Hah?
Nada pongo, ni kuna singa ba? Oh, Mediterranean food.
Niko? Ikla ba daw? Otta ba taki itu tur salim mai? Oh yeah. So we're actually having buffet tonight. Hello. Oh, this is too loud. We are closer to the band. I think we can't really avoid it. Because even if we move to another table, it's still loud. Wanna salad? Got a salad. Drinks. Ano ba? Ha? Ako may biba ko. Kaya lakuin ba? Oh. I'm gonna gosh, this is all the dessert. Pineapple, watermelon. What's that? Mexican almond. Nada sana kakana tu ya? Cheese and biscuit platter.
Today's a Mediterranean theme.
Oh,
Yeah, so there's
such
lots of
a-
pasta and like olives and
oh,
olive oil
there's no. Kentucky, like ikan.
and pasta. Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, they have a chocolate fountain for kids. Levo talang on rasa kumengo baka Anyway, Auntie Pat, if you're watching, this is our first night at Outrigger. And what's that? Roasted eggplant. Roasted capsicum. Wanna pudding? Na dessert? Oi. Why have you chicken? Beef. Oh, yeah, okay. Beef. And that's prawn crackers. Mexicana. Got a vegetarian. Go vegetarian. Sindona launi manu. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The stuffed chicken supreme. Chicken. Ooh, roti. Some chili. Tapi kau lu biang kau na? Kau it's there. Catch. Wait. What is that? Is it fish? Fish, okay, yeah, that's fish. Yeah. Fish. And that's pork. That's some other pie. Gula binaka. Good, thank you. Is that chicken? Beef, okay. I'm from Fiji, Lau, Lakemba. Gula binaka. Bula. And today is like Mexican, Mediterranean,
Yeah.
Meniniqua. Yeah. All that creamy chicken. And I think that's crispy pork. Oh, what you having, Haley? Food. Oh, vabbè, canaica. It's meat. Crispy pork, bean stew and vegetable. Bean stew with vegetable. Oh, yeah, vegetarian. Guacamole. Oh, kinto nambi ke? Guna kiri?
Itu.
Oh.
You want some salad?
Nikikila na seafood restaurant, isn't there?
Yeah?
A seafood restaurant.
Sambera.
Huh?
Sambera. Oh, orange.
Ini kwa the Mediterranean. Also, tampak chicken mo dito kami namin nag.
Ave ka na?
Oh. Warna mangi-mangi. Naik kah? Mangi-mangi.
Karena tunggu.
Prawn.
Dah. Ini. So nice.
Ya kok kami. Terus
Di sini kan kalau saya tapi masih terjawab.
Oh wow. Oh,
Fish? Fish? Go. Kan dapat share lain? Gurna mahi-mahi.
Loh.
Sangai bekan nunggu. Tapi kok kan ya tali?
Like mini tacos with bean filling.
And Haley, oh my god, Haley sinarakan niya na prawn crackers. What? Namun lakalak migin na?
Iya.
Nai katwik ya? Dabe? Dabe? Nato ah? Iko matarong ah? Oh ya, o tatarong